Hello and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this segment, we will be taking a look at the University of Virginia scholarship for domestic and international students. USA residents or domestic citizens can apply for this scholarship as well as international students can also apply. If this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss various scholarships that are currently open for international students to apply in any part of the world. Please note that we are not in affiliation with any of these universities, as we do in-depth analysis on the information outlined on the official scholarship website or on the official university website. So let's dive properly into this video and then see how we can proceed to apply for this scholarship. As you can see on your screen, we have the University of Virginia graduate admission. Thomas Jefferson believed that learning was a lifelong pursuit, from the arts and science to law and business. University of Virginia offers some of the nation's premier graduate program. So we have the Darden School of Business, we have the Frank Patton School of Leadership and Policy, we have the Graduate School of Art and Science, we have the MC Lintwin, we have the School of Architecture, we have the School of Data Science, we have the School of Education, School of Engineering and Applied Science, we have the School of Law, School of Medicine and School of Nursing. So here in this video, I'm going to show you the process in which you can apply for admission and scholarship with top USA universities where they offer financial aid for international students. All you need to do here is to go to the graduate admission website. So I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video so you can access it and then proceed to apply for admission for the desired course of study. So let's take a look at the School of Engineering and Applied Science. All you need to do is click on it. So once you click on this link, you will see details of the apply link, student life, graduate admission. We have the graduate programs, so you can access the graduate programs and then the graduate admission. But before then, here is the link to apply. Our highly ranked master's and PhD program provides students from all around the world opportunities to become leaders in their fields. So as you can see on the screen, we have the student life, student support and professional development. You can access this information on this page and then read more about them. But here is the courses under engineering. We have the biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, computer science. We have the electrical engineering. We have the material science and engineering. We have mechanical aerospace engineering and system information engineering. So once we are on this page, you can see for PhD, you can access the link here. For masters, you can access the link here. So once you click on any of this link, it will redirect you to the course outline. So here is just for the details, but if you are interested to apply, all you need to do is to click on the apply link. Then you need to create an account and begin your registration. This is how to apply for University of Virginia Engineering Graduate programs. So for scholarship, once you click on the graduate admission, you click on the cost and aid. Here you will find the details under the Department of Engineering or Faculty of Engineering. So we have the UIA School of Engineering and Applied Science offer financial support to graduate students through assistantship and fellowship, ordinarily consisting of a stipend and payment of all tuition and fee, including health insurance. So here is the financial aid you can attach to your So most outstanding students in research program, Master of Science and PhD can expect to receive financial aid of some kind. Through support will vary by department and fundings. So students must be nominated by their department to be considered for a fellowship or assistantship. Students receiving financial aid from UVAI Engineering must be registered as a full-time graduate student during the period of the award, defined as at least 12 credits of lecture laboratory courses and or research during the academic year. So must obtain cumulative grade average point of 3.0 and must have maintained satisfactory progress towards a degree. Here is graduate research assistantship. We have the graduate teaching assistantship. We have the school or program fellowship. We have external fellowship. Here we have the application for financial aid. Each department determines the distribution of financial aid for graduate study. To be considered for financial aid beginning in 4th term, applicants should have all the materials filed by the due date listed in the graduate application deadline section of our graduate admission page. Later application will be considered subject to availability of funds or requests. Later application will be considered subject to availability of funds. Indication of request for financial aid is obtained in the application form. So once you apply for admission, you can also take the boxes for financial aid. So international students are considered at the same time as serious applicants for assistantship and fellowship. So once you apply for admission, there will be an option for you to apply for financial aid. So once you meet the requirement and then pass all the checks, the disbursements will be applied to your application. Here is for the School of Engineering. So let's move over to for the School of Engineering and Applied Science, that is how it is done. Now let's take a look at the School of Medicine. So once we click on the School of Medicine, page where it contains information about this school. As you can see, we have admission process, we have the programs, we have the admission contact. So you can click on the admission process to learn more, where it will guide you to how to apply for this program. About the application process, what to expect. Here is what to expect. Here is interviews and offer of attendance, and then the application timeline. So here are the general requirements for School of Medicine MD program. This is the general requirement. So here is complete a minimum of 90 semesters hour of coursework at an accredited US or Canadian college or university. Another requirement, as you can see on your screen, I don't want to go into details about this requirement, but for general requirements for international students, here are the list of requirements. You need the MCAT requirement. Here is the MCAT requirement. Here is the general requirement for international students. Here is the financial aid. International students who are accepted at UVA School of Medicine are not eligible for federal loans or financial aid from the university. Documentation showing the so all we are interested in is the financial aid. So click on financial aid, and then here to redirect you to the application process where you can apply for the financial aid. Let's take a look at another school, Graduate School of Art and Science. Once you click on the Graduate School of Art and Science, it will lead you to this web page where you can access the graduate degree programs. You have the admission and requirements, and then the collaboration. So all we are interested in is the graduate degree programs. So you click on it. And you will be redirected to this web page, in which it will give you the list of graduate degree programs under this school. Then the graduate degree of Art and Science offer various PhD or Masters and graduate certificates. So these are the list of programs below. We have the American Studies, we have Africana Studies, we have Anthropology, Art and Architectural History, Astronomy, Biology, Chemistry, Classics, Creative Writing, Dynamics, and the rest. So these are the list of courses under the School of Art and Science. So all you need to do is to click on any of these links, and during the application process you can select financial aid, so you can be considered for any of the available financial aid under this school. but we can also access this funding here. So as you can see on your screen, we have the graduate aid comes in many forms, including fellowship, scholarship, and assistantship. The graduate aid comes in many forms, including fellowship, scholarship, assistantship, wages, and loans. Multiple sources of funding are available for graduate students, from government agencies, employers, and foundation to academic departments and schools. So there are different opportunities for financial support. So either comes in fellowship, scholarship, or loans, and these are offered by either private organizations or agencies or government agencies, and then other forms or other external sources. So the graduate school offer doctoral students a minimum of 5 years of financial support upon admission, including 12 months living support of $36,000 and full remission of tuition fee and premium single person coverage through the University Student Health Insurance Plan. So this also offer financial aid to those who want to apply for School of Art and Sciences. So in summary, once you are on this page, all you need to do is to search for the particular course which is offered by any of these schools, then apply for admission. During the admission application, you can select financial aid opportunities in which you will be assessed after you have been given admission at the university. So this is how to apply for University of Virginia scholarship, and this is one of the fully funded or funded scholarship opportunities which is currently open right now for domestic or international students. See you in our next video.